welcome back to my channel. It's your girl London and I'm back again with another video. This video is all about how I laid my frontal. Melt that frontal to your skin, honey. Frontal where? Yeah, this is really easy to achieve. This is what I do on a every 2-week basis. You know, always gotta wash and clean your lace. Make sure your lace is extra thin. That's the only way you're gonna achieve a really flat and not noticeable lace application. That doesn't even make sense. That's the only way you're gonna achieve a nice flawless installation, if your lace is really thin and if it goes with your skin color. But if you'd like to see how I got this look, keep watching. Mwah. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications when I upload so you will never miss out on any videos. So I applied a nude wig cap to my head. Then I used the freezing spray from Got2b glue, and I also used the black Got2b glue gel. I don't know where the clip went, but now I'm blow drying my cap with a blow dryer, and it's on warm. I switched from cold to warm, just so it could dry fast. Now I'm cutting the cap, cutting it as close as I can to the hairline without cutting my hair. And if the sides are not sticking, you could also go back in with the gel and just reapply everything, the spray, the gel, then blow dry it again. Make sure it's really secured on your skin. Now this part is really important. You really need a foundation as close to your skin as possible so you can blend the nude cap in with your actual skin tone. Because you don't want the cap showing through your lace. That's really a bad look, sis. So you're going to use the 91% alcohol. It can't be 50, it can't be 70, it has to be 91. So the glue can really work. So I just applied that all over my head and then applied the glue right on top of where I applied the alcohol. The glue that I'm using is the Bold Hold lace glue. It's the best lace glue hands down. I tried the Ghost Bond lace glue, I tried the Walker's Tape lace glue, I even tried Got2b glue, but you know, nothing competes with this glue. It's the best glue out there. Get your hands on it. I'm telling you, it is worth the $20. And you need to apply 3 layers of this glue so you can have a nice install. The goal is to blow dry each layer until it's clear before you apply another layer. Make sure that it's really clear, because if not, the white glue would show through the lace, and that's you're gonna have to put makeup on it, then it's gonna get real messy. It's just a no-no. So make sure every layer is clear before you do anything. So the wig that I'm using is a custom unit that I made with my London's Hair Shop hair. I have in bundles 228, a 26, and a 24, and a 20-inch frontal, and I just made it, dyed it jet black, and now I'm installing it. If you're new to applying a lace wig, I recommend you put in clips in the front of the hairline to keep all the hair out of the wig. And I also recommend not cutting the lace off before you actually apply it onto the glue, just so everything can be in place. You know, you don't have to start all over if you mess up. You could see where the glue is and where it stops through the lace itself. So I just recommend that. So for this part, you want to make sure that your blow dryer is on warm, and you can also switch to cool and back to warm again, just so you're really melting that lace onto the glue. Cool doesn't really do anything, so you have to really heat up the glue and then cool it off so the lace can really blend seamless, and it can just, you know, look really realistic, look like, bitch, what frontal? You know, that's our ultimate goal that we're achieving. So you got to make sure that the glue is melting onto the lace and vice versa, so it's really, really flat and really realistic. Time to cut the lace, and when you're cutting it, you want to make sure you do not go in a straight line across. The edge is jagged so it blends better. Sorry guys, so you see me playing with my lashes. They were looking real crazy and I don't know why, so I just decided to take them off. I forgot to mention that I did majority of the plucking off camera because I could not find my good tweezers. I actually had to run to Walmart to buy some new tweezers, so I didn't get to get the full footage of me plucking the hairs and all of that good stuff. But you know, you just want to pluck it and make sure you take enough hair out but not creating bald spots in your lace frontal. You just want a good balance between you know, thinning out the hairline so it's not so thick and uniform, because nobody's natural hairline is thick and uniform. But yeah. As I stated before, I dyed this hair jet black, so the hair color did leak onto my lace, which made the knots not visible at all. So I had to go in with some makeup to make my part more defined. And I tried the Got To Be Glue spray, you know, to make sure that there was no color that was going to leak onto the lace. But that failed me, so all the color went onto the lace, but it's fine, you know, makeup can fix it. If something like that happens to you, make sure you take a foundation powder instead of a liquid foundation, because it can easily get really messy and the liquid could just get all in your hair, and nobody got time for that. So just make sure you take a foundation powder, either your skin tone or one shade lighter than you, to make it blend. So I applied mousse and now I'm cutting out baby hair. The key to a flat frontal is a hot comb. A hot comb is going to become your best friend. It's going to get hot, but you know, beauty is pain, and you got to make sure you get all them ridges out and just make sure everything is nice and flat so it can look like it's coming from your scalp. So I'm just finishing up styling my hair with the Conair 1-inch curling iron. I think I got this from Walmart or Target, and I'm just putting some curls in my hair, you know, just styling it up. I didn't want it to be flat and boring, so yeah. The finishing look. Thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I appreciate the support that I'm getting from you guys. If you guys have any other video suggestions, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. I love to hear suggestions and all that good stuff. But thank you for watching. Also, you can follow me on my social media _keeping up with London, and I also have a hair page styled by London _ to keep up with the latest, you know, hair things that I do. But thank you so much, you guys. I love you guys so much. Mwah.